The Yankees playing their best ball of the season, won 20 of 28 in September. One guy hoping for a long run in the postseason, first baseman Greg Bird. The 24-year-old has only played 48 games over the last 2 seasons. Injuries have slowed down his progress. Bird is swinging a hot stick over the last week, 3 home runs, a .333 average, and that's the way he was hitting way back in spring training. He made headlines for his play back then. He also made news because of his cat, Mr. Delicious, who might scare you at first glance.
Yeah, I get that a lot. He takes getting used to it. Once you get used to him, he's a great cat. He's funny, keeps me company, so.
It's like if I saw him walking down the street, I might cross the street on the other side. He has that meanness.
Yeah. Everyone says he's ugly. It hurts his feelings. No, I'm kidding.
Is that an Austin Powers thing?
He's related to the one from Austin Powers, Mr. Bigglesworth, so he's got that in his blood.
Bird was finally reunited with Mr. Delicious this past week. Maybe he'll bring Bird some postseason luck.